Hey y'all, I'm back with another video with my second client that has 4C hair. And I just want to give y'all a little background on this particular client because first of all, this is her second visit. Her first visit was her first silk press ever. Like, she never had a silk press done before. So she came to see 1212 and I gave her that 1212 treatment, you know, from start to finish. She first booked the 1212 full experience, and today she's just getting the mud mask treatment with the silk press. But let's get into how her curls are still pretty. And she was just explaining to me like the process of how she was taking care of her hair at home after her last visit. And I just want y'all to hear what she was saying, because she really took everything I said in.
The mud mask, and then I let that sit on until it was dry, and then I did 2 shampoos. I watched one of your YouTube videos, so I'm gonna do this right.
I know that's right.
And then I let the conditioner sit in there, and I did the steam with the conditioner in it, and I rinsed it out, and it like felt really, really good. And I usually, when I do a twist out, I have to use gel, some type of oil, and like a leave-in conditioner, but I just sprayed your detangling spray on there to keep it wet. And I got this Shea Moisture curling and styling like cream, and that's all I did. And I kept it twisted. I twisted my hair right after I shampooed it and tied it down, and it came out perfect. That was the first time my hair was like moisturized, and I didn't have to put no oil in it or nothing.
Yeah, you usually don't. I know it felt soft, didn't it?
It did. It was like so cute. And then I did the rubber band method, where you just take pieces of your hair and like put a rubber band around it to keep it like fluffy, I guess.
Yeah.
And so it was really cute for like 4 days.
Oh, it lasted 4 days?
The twist out lasted 4 days with the rubber band method.
Oh my
and this
gosh.
was how I came in today. This was like day 7.
Oh my gosh, your hair looks so good when you came in. You cannot make this stuff up, y'all. So while her mud mask is sitting, I'm just talking to her, and you know, we just vibing out and all of that good stuff. But this is why I'm so motivated, and we're so motivated as a company to show you guys how to use the product, because if you visually see how I work it on my clients, you could possibly do that at home and get the same results. It might not be as perfect or as polished as my silk press, but at least your hair can still experience being clean, being moisturized, and just lightweight and fluffy, you know. So this is why we're so motivated, and we know that it works. So I love to like show you guys so that y'all can possibly have the same outcome and maintain healthy hair at home. But I digress. Now y'all know, here's the shampoo process, you know, using our 1212 clarifying shampoo to make sure that the hair is clean, right? We need the hair to be clean because we want to retain moisture with 1212 conditioner. And I'm just going to come right back after that process. Y'all know I like to come back after I do the process because it's kind of redundant at this point. So yeah, I'll be right back, y'all. So once I'm done applying the conditioner all over the hair, you know, I gotta apply some more. Like, I'm just a crazy person when it comes to moisture. So I like to put a whole lot of conditioner on here, especially 4C hair. Like, you need a lot of moisture when you have tight curls. It just helps to retain moisture. I can't say it enough, y'all. Like, I'm gonna just keep saying it. It helps to retain moisture. It helps to retain moisture, y'all. You need a lot of conditioner so your hair can retain moisture, and you need it with the steam so it can open that hair cuticle and lock it in, y'all. And look how juicy her hair looks. Like, it looks so juicy. It has a shine to it and everything. So that's why I stand by what I stand by. And then we go in with the hair mist because heat protection is #1, right? When we applying these hot tools to our hair. And then after that process, I move on to, you know, my thing, which is the blow dry, the silk press, and then the styling. And I show a little bit of me trimming her hair. I didn't really have to take much off because her hair looks, her ends still look good, as you can see right here. It looks really good, y'all. And that's the benefit of trusting your stylist, and when you get home, not applying more heat on your hair. You know, keeping it very minimum, keeping it very basic. I suggest going to a salon professional when you're putting titanium flat irons to your hair. Like, you need to seek a professional so that you don't burn your hair out. And your silk pressure lasts for a few weeks, so you don't have to put heat on your hair. Now, I do understand things happen, like the weather, or you might humidity in the shower may mess up your silk press, but it is alternatives to keep your hair looking good. But yes, this is the end result, y'all. And I feel like it came out so well because she maintains healthy hair at home with 1212. So like I said in the previous video, we are in a partnership with this hair. So you can't work against me using other products. I can't promise the same results. So if you want beautiful, silky, soft hair, you have to be consistent using great products like 1212. And that's it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more, of course. And if y'all have any questions, comment below too, and we'll answer them. And yeah, and that's it.